At Sempra, everything we do has a purpose.
Our energy behind Texas is no different. The Lone Star State already stands tall as America's top energy producer, where unlimited potential and resources drive innovation, where wind power blows stronger here than most other countries, and energy exports are poised to lead world markets. Our focus is on building even smarter world-class infrastructure, working with state and local leaders to blaze a bigger trail, developing new liquefied natural gas facilities to send Texas energy to the world, and creating jobs and economic growth along the way. Our commitment is to ensure that Texas is recognized as a global leader, prioritizing the delivery of renewable sources, helping to secure safer, more reliable energy, and shaping the future. Connecting people, here and across oceans. That's a purpose we'll always pursue. We're proud to put our energy behind Texas.